Precisely control access to your cloud infrastructure with the OVHcloud Identity Access Management Service, and track who does what, where, and when with the OVHcloud Logs Data Platform Service. Access policy logs give you a clear view of what actions IAM policies allow or block, including those related to third-party integrations. The activity logs track the full history of API calls by identifying users, source IPs, and schedules via the OVHcloud Control Panel, SDKs, or command line. Audit logs record critical security events such as connections, sensitive changes, and more, ideal for your audit, compliance, and governance needs. To enable this visibility, create a Logs Data Platform service and a data stream via the OVHcloud Control Panel, and enable data streams. Events are then automatically indexed and stored, which can be accessed via the OpenSearch API or via the Graylog interface for near real-time analyses. Finally, you can archive these logs on cold storage managed by OVHcloud with customizable retention periods and meet long-term data compliance requirements while managing the costs. If you would like to learn more about the topic covered in this video, you can find useful links in description and share your experience with our community of users on our forum.